What's up everyone, Rob here. Today got another little welding video for you. I luckily received my replacement regulator from Miller a couple days ago, so they're going to be all ready to go. In prior episodes, the regulator was leaking and we were getting no gas to the end of the gun, so this is how our welds were coming out. Not great, just stacking stuff on top. So today, now that the gas is flowing, we will have a different result, hopefully. So let's get into it and hopefully be laying something way better than that down. Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see, the welds that were performed earlier when the gas was not firing, there was a leak in the system, was this grotty, pitted, awful looking welds. As you can see here, this is my first couple welds here, and they're just absolutely garbage. Ton of spatter, ton of cavation, no penetration at all. It's just sitting on top of the metal. And now here's another one with the gas. Much smoother, no pitting, super smooth, shiny. I'm no master welder here by any means. The third time I've ever done it, but this without the gas, this with the gas looks much better. The shielding gas, I'm running 75 argon, 25 CO2, and just the change from the regular atmosphere to welding with the gas is a world of difference. Pretty crazy. And yeah, I guess only improving coming up from here. So here's a line where I ran faster than I normally would, and it honestly, obviously there's not a lot of material being laid down, but looks pretty good, pretty smooth. Definitely not a steady-handed welder yet, but you know, we're working on it. So yeah, I guess I'll keep at it and keep trying and hopefully get something a little prettier and more practical down soon. That's really the goal, right? So I've got some other scrap that once I fill out these last couple rungs I'll start working on that, but until then I guess that'll be the episode for today, and we'll catch you in the next episode.